Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Agefield High Rock the School and your game is not launching, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Agefield High Rock the School not launching on your computer easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and update your graphic cards drivers. So I'm going to show you Nvidia first and then I'll show you AMD and Intel. You're going to go on to nvidia.com, click on to Nvidia app or drivers here, and then you're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So select your graphic card series, model and your operating system. After that, click find here and it will look for the correct GeForce Game Ready driver for your computer. Once it's done finding the drivers, you're going to download the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Now onto AMD, go on to amd.com, click onto resources and support, browse then, scroll down, click on graphics, Radeon RX, select the graphic card series and then model, click submit. Click your operating system, download the latest AMD Adrenaline drivers. Now onto Intel, go onto intel.com, click onto support, download center, click onto graphics here, search for your graphics card here, download the latest Intel Arc drivers on your computer and install them. And once you're done downloading all of the drivers, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, now when you come here and open up your games platform, you're going to right click on Agefield High, click properties, install files, click verify and integrate your game files here, and then go ahead and try to play the game. And you'll see that your game will not work. You'll not be stuck on that not launching problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.